Hello, my name is Janet Rocio Rodriguez Garcia. I was born in Girardot, Dinamarca. I am 41 years old, a single mother, by profession psychologist. I work at the Universidad Nacional de Distancia since 2008 as a teacher at the Escuela de Ciencias Sociales at the Humanidades. Continuing with my hobbies. Some of my hobbies are listening to the music, romantic, rock, merengue, baladas, and watching movie, terror, comedy, fiction. And I'm back for a sport, but I go for a walk with my son to play together. As for the food, I love Italian, spaghetti, panzerotti, lasagna. I love to cook and use. The dessert are my weakness. I prefer to share with my family to go to parties and enjoy spend time with my Matthias, traveling with him. Well, now I'm going to script I'm my son Matthias, who is a miracle of life. After training with brain and faith and things, I received the wonderful news that I was born 3 months. He was born on September 31, 2017. He has beautiful eyes, the love of my life. With his beautiful smile, has a strong character, and love to be center of attention. He is very, 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 very happy with him. I love it so much. Thank you very much for your attention. Goodbye.